In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your Android to your PC. So there are a lot of methods to do it. One method, which is the most known one, is to simply do it using a USB cable. It is the fastest and it is the most reliable. You can just go and of course into your phone and plug it and make sure the cable that you're using is a cable that transfers data. If it's not a cable that transfers data, if it's a cable that only transfers energy or electricity for charging, that means you will not be able to do it. So at the moment, let me just go and open my phone. I just connected, as example, my phone with a cable to my PC. And now, as an example, I'm just going to open my file explorer. And if I go right here, this PC, I'll find an Apple iPhone. I can just go and double click into this iPhone. As you can see, why I find this folder is empty, because I did not give any access through my phone. So I can go to my phone. I'll now find the notification. Let me just go and establish a connection so you can see it. And I'll be able to click on allow. Okay, I cannot click on, I cannot like give the access, or I cannot use my phone unless I give the access or do not. So I'll have just to click on allow. And once I click on allow, okay, now I can share screen. So here's my screen as an example. And I click on allow and they'll tell me to, of course, enter the password. I'll just go and enter the password. Once I do so, I'll be able to go back now right here. Let me just go and open the file explorer again and go right here to this PC, click on Apple iPhone. And now, as you can see, I should have access to everything. So I can just go and locate where is my photos at, and I'll be able to transfer them wherever I want. I can just go and click on that and click an example copy, or I can just go and move it to another place. This is an example. Let's just say this is a picture of mine. I guess it has some videos as well. Yeah, as you can see, I can just go to this video and transfer it to any of my disks as an example. So this is the option of using the cable. You can also use it to transfer it wirelessly via Google Photos if you want to. And if you don't want to use Google Photos, there's also this option, which is very good. It's called transfer. So transfer now or something like that. Let me just check. So yeah, this option. And as you can see, what you'll have to do, let me just show you the screen of my phone. I can just go to any browser that I have, maybe as example here, Brave. And I'm going to start like a new like tab. And here I'm just going to type transfer now. So once I do so, I'll find this send large files. Click on that option and click, of course. So let me just go and click on start. And here I can choose, is it from photo library, take a photo or video. I'm just going to take a photo right now and I'm going to transfer. So as an example, this is keyboard of my PC. I'm just going to take a photo, click on use this photo. Of course, you can add multiple, like, let me just go and click on accept all. You can choose even multiple files. Now you can go and send those files to an email address or just create a link. In this link, you should go and open it into your PC and you'll be able to download it. So it's totally up to you. If you scroll down, as you can see, you'll find the image that you choose. You can also add a folder if you want to, or you can add, as an example, more files, more pictures. As an example, I'll just go and choose photo picture, and I'm going to add this picture as an example. Once I do so, I do have here 2 pictures. So now I'll just choose the option of sending the files using the link. So I'm just going to enter here my email address. So like this, and it's going to be at gmail.com. So the subjects and custom link are just optional. I'm just going to click on get a link. They will upload the files, do everything right here. They'll just wait for the security analysis in progress. So they make sure you are not sending like a virus, and they'll give you a link. All you need to do is just go and open the same link as example. So the download link for your transfer is available for 7 days. You have 7 days to download them into your PC. You can go and copy it, or simply just send it however you want to whoever you want. So now, if you can open an example, maybe you can send it into your WhatsApp. So I do have here WhatsApp or Telegram or Instagram. So I'll just go to Instagram right here, go to the DMs, and I'm just going to send it, like example, in this chat, paste the link. And all I need to do is just go to my PC, click on Instagram as example. So you can do in any way that. So I'm just going to, let's just check first of all if it's the right profile. So this is not the right profile. I'll need to just access my account. So as you can see, I just logged in into the other one. All I need to do now, just go to messages. click on that and click on the link that I have here, and I'll be able to download those two files. Here is it. I can download them and I can even view them, and I can download one by one or download all. So once I click on download all, as you can see, it will be downloaded as a zip file. I can just go and open that and I'll be able to see those images. So this is the image that we took, and this is the second image. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.